There was a time when the most powerful computer in the world sat on a desk. Then it fit in your pocket. Now it's looking through your eyes. Behind every seamless moment, every crystal clear call, every instant connection, every frame you'll never forget is a team that built the invisible. The OS that breathes, the camera that sees, the signal that never drops. We are the engineers who go deep, so experiences can feel effortless. We own the system health that keeps the device alive, the core OS that makes it fast, the multimedia stack that makes it vivid, the connectivity that keeps it always on, the new platform work that makes tomorrow possible. From first bug triage to new model launch, we scale with you. Because the future of computing lives on your face, and it has to be flawless. We build the invisible, so you can see everything.